All right, so welcome back. Today in this video, we're going to be continuing the geotechnical engineering section of the Civil FE exam review. And we're going to be focusing specifically on one of the topics that deals with consolidation and differential settlement. So I have a few practice problems for you all today, and I want to go ahead and dive right in. All right, so number one says, using the following details, what is the ultimate consolidation settlement in the soil layer? Total change in void ratio is 0.15. Thickness of soil layer is 8 meters. And the initial void ratio is 0.75. Okay, so let's write out the information that we're given. We're given the initial void ratio, and we're given the total change in void ratio. Okay, so what else are we given? Well, we're given thickness of soil. Okay. Anything else? No, I think that's it. So we're trying to find, what are we trying to find? We're trying to find the ultimate consolidation settlement. Okay, we're trying to find the ultimate consolidation settlement. So what formulas might we need for this? Well, I don't know. I'm going to search consolidation settlement. See if anything pops up. So consolidation settlement. Okay, so one option pops up. All right, so ultimate consolidation settlement in soil layer is known as SULT, which is equal to EV times HS. All right. So what is EV? Well, EV is equal to the change in E total. So based on the notes, E0 is initial void ratio, E0, and then change in E total. So change in total void ratio. The total change in void ratio, right? So I have the total change in void ratio, which is 0.15. I have one. I know what one is, plus E0. Do I know what the initial void ratio is? Yes. 0.75. Okay. So I can get EV. Do I have HS? What's HS? HS is the thickness of the soil layer. Do I have the thickness of the soil layer? Yes. Now it's just a matter of plugging and chugging. Okay. So I know that I'm looking for the ultimate consolidation settlement in the soil layer. So I'm looking for SULT. So SULT equal to E times V times HS. You just have to break it up in pieces, right? All right, so EV is what? EV is equal to the change in the total void ratio divided by 1 plus the initial void ratio. So this is equal to, well, what's the change in E total? total. The total change in void ratio is 0.15. I'll do 0.15 divided by 1 plus E0, which is 0.75. And for that, I get my EV is equal to 0.0857. Okay. Cool there. So we got this value. All right. What is HS? This value. So HS is equal to just the thickness of the soil layer, which is equal to 8 meters. All right. So I have HS, have EV. So now I can get my ultimate consolidation settlement. So I'm just going to plug and chug now. So as ult is equal to EV, which is equal to 0.0857 times my 8 meters is equal to 0.68 meters, or C. So just reading out the problems, figuring out the variables that you have versus the variables that you need. SO was one of the variables that we needed. We also needed EV, and we didn't have it until we went and found what E total was, which is the total change in void ratio. So we figured it out though. Hey everybody, I know I didn't take time to formally introduce myself at the beginning, so I did want to let you know who I am and how I can best serve you as you're studying for your Civil FE exam. So my name is James Huntley, and I am a civil engineer who has helped hundreds of individuals pass and dominate their Civil FE exam. Now, I know this test is tough, and as you're going through material, you may be saying, I don't remember learning this stuff, or gosh, these variables are so confusing, or you just feel like you're really, really busy and there's so much material that you need to go through that it's a bit overwhelming. So I did want to let you know that I do help and work with individuals one-on-one to ensure that they pass their Civil FE exam. And I've had individuals that have worked with me for 10 weeks, and that's the longest that it has been. And I've had individuals that have worked with me for 2 weeks, and we went back to back, day after day after day, hours on hours on hours, putting in the work, working together to ensure that they went ahead and passed, right? And this exam is so important because I know that you want to make more money. I know that you want to, get some promotions and be able to further your career and have your PE. So definitely want to open and extend a hand out. Want to be able to save you time, right? Because I know some people that watch my videos, you may have been watching my videos for 6, 9, even 12 months, and you still haven't passed your Civil FE exam. And that is the one thing that's keeping you from making more income, more impact, and furthering your career. So it's definitely costing you money, resources, everything. So looking to create more success stories. I am looking to work with individuals one-on-one. I want to hop on Zoom with you. I want you to share what you're doing as you're solving these problems, so I can spot out what you may be struggling with and open your eyes so that you're not going into this test completely blind. Now, for some of you, you may have failed a test once, twice, had some people fail 5 times, or you may be wanting to take this test initially and you just want to make sure that you pass it up front. So do have one-on-one services. I also have some do-it-yourself courses that if you're like, no, I got this, I got it all on my own, I know everything, or I'm gonna take the time to study everything, I do have some resources and materials to be able to help you in that way. But my biggest fear is that you're investing in something, these programs or these courses, and you're not getting back or having proper feedback to help you and to push you forward. You're just giving a bunch of information and no one's sharing with you what you may be actually struggling with or what's keeping you from passing your FE exam. So looking to create a ton of success stories. So feel free, down in the description box below, I have a ton of resources, including one-on-one coaching. Let's hop on a call. It's no cost to you as far as, us talking through your goals and what you're trying to do, and kind of getting a feel for where you're at. So have some programs where I can work with you one-on-one. And there's also some do-it-yourself courses, practice exams, study guides, resources, free material, all of that down in the description box below. So feel free to check out that stuff. If you like the video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. This is what I do. We want to get you to the next phase of your civil engineering career. And leave a comment if you had any questions about what I went through, the information that I covered. And feel free to definitely schedule a call with me, and looking forward to creating more success stories. So be sure to check out this next video